This is First Contact, Stories of the Call Center. A lot of the stuff in the lead generation world, some of these things are really important for people, right? You're signing up for something that could be impactful, meaningful in your life, and having that good communication is important. So for companies to attend Contact.io and lead generation world, what are the things that you do to get the organizations, the people, not the vendors, but the people that actually show up? I mean, that's got to be a big job. So what is it that you do outside of saying, hey, we're different, we're doing all these different things? How have you gone about getting 500 people to that first show or this last show?
Yeah, well, I'll talk about what we do moving forward because this last event was great. We sort of just did our normal launch of a show. But what we do and we'll do for Contact.io next year is we do set aside, hundreds of free passes to brands. We for like lead generation, we're coming up in January. We set aside $100,000 worth of free passes to qualified brands and lead buyers. We'll do the same thing for Contact.io. We'll set aside, 100 passes for brands that are looking for contact center services. And I'm talking about, any brand that is looking for those types of services. We try to get them there to help provide them with a low cost opportunity to come to a conference and get in touch with qualified and really good businesses. So that's one thing. I mean, you can call it charity, we'll call it whatever you want, but we really believe, again, that if those brands have those tools, this whole industry will grow, and that means the conference will grow, and that means the NobelBiz platforms will grow, and all we'll continue to build on top of it. So I think it's an investment in the industry as a whole, is the way I look at it. But yeah. We'll continue to put out as much best practices as we can, and hopefully bring on expertise throughout building up to the show, and provide those opportunities for brands to come to the show at no cost or low cost. And we hope that's the what will work, and hopefully people will follow our passion for helping this industry grow.